Hello students, welcome to this series of mathematics lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture, the criteria for similarity of triangles. These two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal, that is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and their corresponding sides are in proportion. That is, the length of AB divided by DE is equal to the length of AC divided by DF must be is equal to the length of side BC is equal to EF. If these two conditions satisfies, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Let us prove theorem 2.3, which states that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, that is angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence the two triangles are similar. So basically what we need to prove is, we need to prove that if the corresponding angles are equal, that is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. That is AB by DE, AC by DF and BC by EF are in proportion. Now let us prove if the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. First we need to prove that in similar triangles the corresponding angles are same. Now let us cut the triangle, the second triangle, the bigger triangle, that is triangle DEF, such that DP is equal to the length of side AB and DQ is equal to the length of side AC. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Angle B is equal to angle P and angle P is equal to angle E. If these two angles are equal, that is angle P and angle E, that means the side EF is parallel to PQ, since both share same angle, since both have same angles. If angles are same, obviously the lines are parallel. Therefore the ratio of the side length dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. This follows the basic proportionality theorem. We are replacing dP with AB, since these two sides are of same length because they are congruent triangles, so the side lengths are equal. So we are replacing dP with AB here, and we are replacing dQ with AC. Similarly, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. So if the corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Hence we proved it. Now let us prove theorem 2.4, which is basically the opposite of which we proved before, which states that if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal, hence the two triangles are similar. In this case we are proving that if in two triangles the corresponding sides are in proportion, then their corresponding angles are equal. Now let us prove this theorem. This theorem is proved by taking two triangles ABC and DEF such that the ratio of their corresponding sides is less than 1. So what does it mean? Consider these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Their corresponding sides are AB, DF, BC, EF and AC, DF. Now we will take the ratio of these two, AB by DE. The length of AB is 3 cm. The length of DF is 4.5 cm. 3 by 4.5 cm. 3 by 4.5 cm. We will follow the same thing for BC, EF, CA, FD. The length of BC is 6, length of EF is 9, length of AC is 8 cm, length of DF is 12 cm. All these ratios are less than 1. Now let us start proving our statement. We will cut the triangle DEF such that the length of DP is equal to the length of side AB and DQ is equal to the length of side AC. Here we can notice that the length of DP by PE is equal to DQ by QF. This follows the basic proportionality theorem, and PQ is parallel to EF. Why? Because angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q, and angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. If these two angles are equal, so they are parallel to each other. If we draw two lines and we will draw an intersecting line, then the angle between the intersecting line and the parallel lines are equal. This angle and this angle must be equal. That is what we are following here. So angle P is equal to angle E and angle Q is equal to angle F. Therefore, the ratio of dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF is equal to PQ by EF. In the next step, we are replacing the length of PQ by BC. Since the length of PQ is equal to the length of BC, we can replace PQ with BC. That is what we done here. Thus we can conclude that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. When do we say that two triangles are congruent? When their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are equal. Finally, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. We proved that these two triangles are similar by taking their corresponding sides. If their corresponding sides are in proportion, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence proved. The content of this video is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.